What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and this is the market review for the S&P 500 for Thursday, July 12th. So, as you can see today, the S&P had a pretty decent day, and it punched through the bottom portion of that zone resistance that we've been talking about the last little while. That bottom portion of zone resistance would be sitting at the level of about 2790 right through here. You can see that that level was taken out, and it tested the top portion of zone resistance at 2796. And so again, the S&P is still trying to test those levels, and the S&P is trying to punch through this zone resistance level up through here. There is a very, very structured level of resistance that's been set and been tested, and we're now working on the fifth major test. So we were set once, twice, three times, essentially four times with a break, and today we're getting in the top portion of that area, that little range of 2796 over 2790. Now, this is an area that we'll be talking about in our weekly webinar in Ask a Trader tonight, and the importance of this level. Now, what I forecast is if and when 2796 moves to the upside and price action takes out this zone resistance level right through here, we could potentially see price action cruise with very little in its way all the way up to about 2871, testing the all-time high and then potentially pushing forward. I say this because, again, you've got this structured area of resistance, and after this top portion of zone resistance at 2796, there is virtually nothing in its way as a checkpoint. You'll see that 2871 is up through here, and the first viable check area could be right in this general area of 2835. So what we'd be looking for is another great strong Friday tomorrow. A great close on the S&P could potentially trigger not only a move up, but another move up on Monday, and that could potentially take us into that 2835 area, because again, 2796, it's not too far away from that 2835 area. You're talking about, what, 40 points? So there is a move right through here, 50 points rather, in this general area that price action could fill before it maybe pulls back, holds this level, and then crushes it through and goes to that 2871 level. So this is what we're looking at the S&P. You can see over here on the 5-minute intraday chart for the 12th, that you've got this nice move. It pulled back. It's flagging beautifully right through here, 2798, and it wants to punch through, and the momentum is resetting nicely to the upside. So with all that said, this is the area that we're looking to breach, and based on this area moving to the upside, we could see the S&P testing some of these historic levels up through here, and so on. If you have any questions about this video, feel free to email me directly. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn the notifications on so you can get these sent right to you directly when I finish these up every other day. And in the description box below, there's actually a link to our webinars called Ask a Trader, hosted on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you want to get in, by all means, join the community and see what we're doing. We'll be discussing the S&P, some of the larger S&P stocks, and potentially options plays on them. We'll be just discussing our watch list and some of the intraday trades that we've been putting on as of late. If you have any questions, I'm Julian. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next market review.